Hello and welcome to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for your BORG ERP account setup. So in my previous videos, you came to know how to add customers in your admin account. And next was how you can see the all license summary, that is user license info. That means you were able to track how many licenses credited to your account till date, how many licenses are being used, still unused, how many are there, and total number of expired users, how many accounts are still active, how many accounts you have made disabled from your end. So all these details you can track very efficiently from user license info. So the next step heading towards the account setup is the adding users. How we can add users from admin account. So I have shared my screen. As you can see, I have come to this table, user management table. So here we can see in the extreme left side, manage user and add user. Okay. So first of all, we need to see what are the basic details of users displaying over here. So you can see over here, each and every user or the employee name is reflecting here, rights, their expiry date, reporting managers, user ID, contact number, department, status, and there is the action button over here in the extreme right. Okay. So first of all, I will guide you how to add user in the next video, or if you will extend this video, I will show you how to edit details of user also. Okay. So let's start to add user. So if I go on to this page, we see that a form appears in front of us. So we need to fill this form with all details. You need to add the name of employee. Say for example, your employee name or the user name is Amit. Okay. Now you need to select the employee type. That means employee, whether he is permanent or he is on contractual basis, whether he is on trainee for a certain period of time, or he is assigned for daily wages. So you need to select any of one here. So say for example, I have selected permanent over here. Now comes the department list, that in your organization, in which department this particular person is assigned. So according to this account, you are having department list as help desk, accounts, sales, service, human resource, task force, and inventory. So if suppose in all these accounts you do not need at your end, you can add a new department as well, if according to your working profile, according to your company profile. So say for example, here I am adding Amit, Mr. Amit in human resource. Okay. So here we are done. First point, we should make it clear. Employee name is Amit. Employee type is permanent. Department is human resource. Next comes the contact number. So I am putting a demo account number. Sorry, phone number. Then comes the employee code. So employee code or the user ID. That means this is the user ID by which this particular employee can log in and access your BORG ERP account. He or she can use this user ID for login purpose in your BORG ERP account. So say for example, I want to dedicate this particular user ID for Mr. Amit. Next comes the designation. So for which designation he is being selected? So he is being selected here for HR. Okay. Next comes the email address. You can set email address. Next comes the reporting level. That means Mr. Amit is required to report to level 4 or level 3 or level 2. So if he is going to report at level 4, that means the next step is that at level 4, he is subjected to report Mr. Krishna Singh. Okay. So level 4, we can see we are having Krishna Singh only. If I will uncheck here and I will again set here as level 3. So let's see whom Mr. Amit is going to report. Mr. Amit is going to report KP Singh, Minakshi, and Sohan. So all these, all of them, any of them we can select, and Mr. Amit will be reporting eventually accordingly. So for now, I am selecting Minakshi. Then you need to set the password as well of your own, and then the license list. It means here you can see all the licenses available in this account is reflecting. That means these are the licenses which are still being unused. These are the unused licenses showing up here, and we can select any one of them, and that particular license will be assigned to Mr. Amit. So here we go. We have selected this license, and we can see over here that its expiry date is also reflecting. That is 31st of December 2023. So now we are done with all the formalities over here, and we will just click on submit, and this particular employee or the user will be submitted in this account. Yes, you have got the notification. This user added successfully. So let's go back and we see whether Amit is available in your account or not. So you can see Mr. Amit is available here with all details. You can see over here, whatever details we got, we have feeded here is just reflecting. So we can go here and edit if required. So this is how we can add any user from admin account. Okay. The next step is if any required condition appears that you need to edit employee details, you can go from here, action button. So here we go. We have all details which were already set up in this particular employee details. You can alter any detail, and then again you can update user, and this particular user is updated, successfully updated. So this is how we can add single user one by one. Okay, with all details. You can set the department, you can set the reporting level as well. So in next video, I will show you what is the importance of reporting level. Actually, what is the role of the team structure as well. So reporting level and the team structures are usually interrelated to each other. So in the next video, I will show you how to track any employee in the team structure and how he or she is reporting and working in an organization efficiently. So thank you so much for your patience listening, and hope you understood all these things, basic things to how to add any user in your account. So thank you.